Welcome to my channel. Today I upload beautiful embroidery pattern. In this video you can watch beautiful cartoons, Disney and other things. This is very good idea to get idea. Watch complete video and enjoy. If you understand this video and you can understand everything in this video, then comment us what we should upload for you, which you like very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel Real Health Plus Fashion. Keep watching Real Health Plus Fashion and enjoy beautiful videos. After this video we will upload fashion video is also available in this channel, and health video is also available in this channel. Both you will find from the Real Health Plus Fashion YT. Thank you for watching.